morning, friends. Next, we are going to discuss about the topic green assets in green computing. So, what is green assets? The green assets and my infrastructure compromise sustainable part of the long-term approach to managing the carbon performance of the organization. The three major activities relating to the infrastructure assets as the following carbon reduction that are establish, that is procure. Second one, operate, that is run. Third one is dispose or demolish. First going to discuss about establish, so deal with the green credential of the assets in terms of its design and development. For example, the original design of the car engine or a mobile phone that make it carbon efficient. Second one, operate, deal with the total carbon contribution of the organization by means of operations of assets. Third one, dispose, deal with the eventual phases of an asset and impact the overall carbon footprint of an organization. The main types of assets. We are going to discuss about the type of assets. Each type of assets has a separate impact on environment. For example, the building and facilities. Here, the long-term impact as a major environment consideration. So it will be during architecture and construction. The second type of assets, data center. This is a special purpose of building to house data servers. Okay. Third one, devices. So devices are going to design, development, equipment, operations, and the usage of devices in considered here. Next, fourth type of assets, vehicles. So direct fuel emission pollution level of the type of fuel, design of engine, and so on. Equipment operations and disposal activities applied to vehicle use in the organization. So these are the type of assets and their impact on the environment. Next, the green building. The green building are high performance structure that are meet certain standards of reducing natural resources and consumption. For green or sustainable building are characterized by efficient management of energy and water resources, management of material resources and wastage, research and protections of environmental quality, enhancement and protections of health and indoor environment quality, reinforcement of natural resources, analysis of the life cycle cost and benefits of material and methods, integrations of design decision making process. The green makes business sense that like increased flexibility to allow the longer building and IT useful life, improved building performance, increased revenue, either higher rent or sale price, and improved productivity. So low cost. So reduce carbon consumption and energy independence, encourage community to restore natural system. Next, green IT hardware. In part of green IT hardware, the hardware aspects of green IT is deal with the design and the architecture of IT hardware and the manner in which is acquired and operated. So the following is more detailed description of IT hardware assets of the organization: data server, end user computer, and mobile devices. So what are the data servers? The physical mechanism, server both wire and wireless networks, communicates equipment directly emitting the carbon. For end user computers, or take example for desktop and laptop. Okay. Mobile devices, the batteries including the recharging mechanism, like peripherals, printer, photocopier, printer, and so on. Okay. Thank you, friends. We will see the next video. Thank you.